from Pal Figs. Today is July 22nd, 2025. I'm standing in front of Oro Lungo. This one is from Francesco Lorusso. Now he claims that it is distinct from Oro Bianco and Albarom or Albino. These are three varieties which I found to be the same: Albarom, Oro Bianco, and Albino. These are just three names he's using to refer to the same fig. Now, Oro Lungo is supposedly another variegated fig. It seems to have a lot of characteristics that are similar to Oro Bianco. Supposedly, this one is supposed to be slightly more elongated. The pictures, the images that he shows are of an elongated fig. They don't seem to be so elongated here, but as they grow, they seem to be slightly more elongated than Albarom and Oro Bianco. But in terms of the other qualities, they seem to be the same. Let's take a look at the pulp. The pulp is also amber or pink in color, the same as both Albarom and Oro Bianco, as well as Albino. In terms of taste, let's check and see. Well, it seems to have probably a sweeter taste. Not sure if that's because of the current season, or if it's because this fig is actually sweeter than Albarom and Oro Bianco. But it's really sweet. It's very sweet. I would say because of how sweet it is, you won't be able to eat more than several of these at a time. The size is really good. I would imagine this is 80 or 90 grams. Now, in terms of people who like to grow variegated figs, I highly recommend this one. It seems to, again, grow the same as Albarom and Oro Bianco. In terms of taste, so far this one seems to be distinct, but again, this might be due to the different location. Oro Bianco is planted in a different field. This one has a higher altitude, so the climate is slightly cooler than over there. It's 3 to 2 degrees different, cooler, and so I'd imagine that has to do with the sugar content. But again, we'll check Oro Bianco. I planted an Oro Bianco next to this one. It's still young, but in the future we'd be able to compare the two, compare the shape, the size, and everything, and we'll be able to tell if it's distinct. What I would say though is if you have Oro Bianco, you don't really need this one. They seem to be very similar at this point. I'll update you as soon as I can. Thank you, and have a nice day.